Today's video is going to be a fall shop my stash using the Tarte Toasted palette. I talked about this in my favorite fall palettes video. I'm actually thinking about doing a part 2 to my favorite fall palettes video because I found so many other fall themed palettes that I want to talk about. Let me know if you want to see that video. If you are new, please subscribe. I love makeup. It's a whole lot of fun and I'm so excited for the autumn themed colors, and let's get started. Now, obviously, you don't have to use this palette because this palette is pretty basic as far as the shades, warm tones, but I'm very excited. So I'm going to start with this shade right here in the crease. Actually, no, did I say this shade? No, this shade. What is wrong with me? I don't even know what I'm thinking. It's called Latte. Oh, Latte makeup. That's a whole thing. This palette was apparently ahead of its time. Oh, I forgot that this palette kind of smells like chocolate. Totally forgot about that. I haven't used this palette in a while, but I still enjoy this one. I think it is very, very lovely. I'm going to put this shade all over the lid and let us know. There's so many beautiful fall palettes coming out. Let me know. Are you buying any of them? I definitely am thinking about buying a couple of things, but I am going to be starting a low buy. I'm going to be doing a video on that hopefully within the next week. But yeah, I need to do a low buy. I did a no buy for 5 months this year and it was great. And then for a few months I've been off of that and I've been treating myself. I got some good stuff. You know, nothing I regret purchasing or anything, but I have decided that I do want to go on a low buy. So I'll be introducing that and the rules and everything, yeah, hopefully in the next week. Okay, so I want to put this middle shade right there, Flame, on top of this matte part. And yeah, I feel like a lot of people didn't like this palette, but I do. I think it's nice. It's not like the most, intense metallics. They're definitely more subtle, but I think the mattes are really good. I think it's nice. So we'll do this. And then I think I'm going to put like a lighter shade in the center and then blend that out. And then I think that'll be it. I'm going to go with this shade here called Candle. I'm going to just put that right in the center here. All right. Yeah, I've mentioned before, I'm very excited about the Pat McGrath holiday collection. I definitely want to buy something from that. At first when I saw it, I was like, oh, I don't know. But the more I've seen videos on her Instagram, I'm like, oh my gosh, this looks amazing. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to be introducing a low buy and I am looking forward to that. All right, for the face, I'm going to use some Project Pan items. I'm going to combine these two, the Smashbox and the L'Oreal primers, mix them up here on the back of my hand. And this is a nice combo, actually. I enjoy it. And I'm going to use a whole bunch of other Project Pan makeup. So it's like, why not? I'm excited. I'm trying to make as much Project Pan progress as I can. Trying to finish up more makeup this year. And also, side note, I am obsessed with my fall mug. I got this at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, one of those. Look at this. It's so cute. I love it. It's amazing. Okay, for foundation, I'm going to mix the Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer and the ColourPop Pretty Fresh, which are in Project Pans. And I am also going to put on some of the e.l.f. Halo Glow Filter, which I know I keep talking about. It's like one of my favorite makeup products ever in the entire world. It's so good. It's amazing. I just love it. Oh, I forgot I was going to do underpainting with cream blush. Well, I'll do that over my foundation, I guess. All right, blend this out. It's a nice combo. I like it quite a bit. I've been loving to do underpainting, but yeah, some days I forget and then I just jump into the foundation, but I've been loving to do underpainting either with just cream blush or just cream bronzer or both. And yeah, I don't know. It's a fun thing to do and I like the effect. I feel like it looks very kind of natural and seamless. I took the stopper out of my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, which is exciting. So I use that. I really do like this concealer. All right, here we go. And blend this out. And then, yeah, I want to use that Rare Beauty blush that I just showed you because I haven't used that in so long and it is very, very nice. All right, I'm going to use this AOA Studio brush and the Rare Beauty blush in Nearly Neutral. Very nice. So I'm just going to kind of put some of this on. I haven't used this blush in so long. I kind of forgot I had it until I did my makeup inventory and then I pulled it out and I was like, oh, I don't even remember the last time that I used that blush. So here we are. We're using it. And yeah, it's very nice. I like it. All right, and then to set the face, I've been loving this Wet n Wild powder. I can't stop using it, guys. It's amazing. It's like so dirty because I use this every single day. It's the Bare Focus powder in Fairlight, and this works on my under eyes also, not just my whole face. And I always say I'm so picky about under eye powder because not all powder works on my under eyes. So this one does, and it's only what, like $3 or $4? It's so cheap and it's so good. And then I also decided to pull out my Hourglass sculpture palette because I did buy the leopard palette. I did a whole video on it, but then that made me realize that I have the sculpture palette and I haven't used that in a while. So that's what I want to do. Here it is, the sculpture palette. I'm going to start with the bronzer, and although I did pick out a different powder blush that I want to use, although it doesn't kind of go with the Rare Beauty one, but whatever, we'll just layer, we'll just have fun. I'm just using my makeup and having fun here. And I do, yeah, see, I said in that video that I prefer the bronzer in the leopard palette. I just think it like blends better and just works a bit better for me. This one is fine, but it's not my favorite. I like the other one better. Whoops. Break my palette. Okay, so this is like the ultimate fall blush, and I just wanted to use it. Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon. I don't think it goes with the Rare Beauty at all because that one's more like a peachy pink, but I just want to add a tiny bit of this. This is, I was looking in this as if there's a mirror. There's no mirror. Yeah, this is like a really, really pigmented blush. I love it. It's so nice. Let's use the highlighter from the Sculpture palette. This one right here. Okay. I haven't used this highlighter in a while. I kind of forgot what it looks like. Yeah, it almost has like a bit of a peachy pink shift. Yeah, it's pretty. I haven't used it in a while. And then I'm going to use, for finishing powder, I'm going to combine dim light and diffused light. Just use both to kind of blend all this out. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I do. I like this. Let me go like this. because I need to kind of blend this out a tiny bit more. Okay, I like that. Yeah, the sculpture palette is good, but I do have to say I prefer the bronzer in the leopard palette. Mood exposure, like I said in that video, this one is in the leopard palette. So is dim light. Is diffused light in there? I don't remember. I don't think so. Anyway. Okay, final look. I really, really like it. I layered a bunch of lip products together. First, I put on this Becca lipstick that's in a project in the shade Orchid, but then I felt like it was too mauve. So then I added this on top, the Merit Lip Oil in Marrakech. And then to make it more brown, I added this gloss, which is Send Nudes from Mented Cosmetics, which I really like. So I have to say, I like the combo, and I'm wearing these earrings. I'm obsessed. I bought these on Amazon. They're like the Bottega inspired earrings, and they are surprisingly comfortable. I thought that they would be like a lot heavier feeling than they are, but they're actually really nice. I'll link my Amazon storefront down below. These were, I don't remember how much they were. I think they were maybe like $20, $22, but I'm obsessed. I love them. So that's it for this final look. It's like kind of a standard fall makeup look, but I do love the eye look. And yeah, it's a whole lot of fun to use some old makeup that I haven't used in a while. Let us know. Do you guys have the Tarte Toasted palette? Because I feel like a lot of people didn't like that palette. But personally, I think it's good. I really enjoy it. I've had it for many years now, and I still like it. I think other than the new, the Tarte Man Eater After Dark palette, well, not the newest one, the one I got last year, I think those are the only two Tarte palettes I have. I need to do a look with the Man Eater After Dark also. And let me know if you want to see a part 2 to my fall palettes video, and I'll link the first one up in the cards in case you didn't see it. Let us know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe for more, and have a great day.